Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and I'm going to discuss today's tip of the day. So I want to show everybody how do you reach up safely, because I have patients who starts having shoulder pains after they clean overhead cabinet like spring cleaning or after fixing a light bulb, and I will demonstrate to you how do you actually do that safely, and I'll explain to you also why you get that pain. All right, so for example, I have a box up here that I would want to reach, right? So normally what people will do, or what everybody does, is we try to reach up as much as we can. You can tiptoe and try reach up and then try to get it down, right? But in this position, our arm is not in the best position, because what happens is your arm bone, which is the humerus, comes up and it will actually kind of compress on the rotator cuff tendon against the roof of the shoulder, which is the acromion process. So what will happen there is it keeps doing that and you hold it for a prolonged period of time, you will cause inflammation on the rotator cuff tendon or on the bursa around the area. So what I want you to do is I want you to get a step stool like this one we have here, all right, or anything that's sturdy that you can step on, and I want you to use that so you can actually be higher and you'll be able to reach up safely this way. It's more comfortable and your arm is not gonna be all the way in this position. That way, my new angle now is going forward this way. The arm bone, the humerus here, is not actually hitting the roof of the shoulder, which is the common process. So the rotator cuff tendon doesn't get compressed too much and you don't have a lot of irritation, and then you actually don't have a lot of inflammation resulting from that. Especially if you're gonna be doing that for, let's say, several minutes, you definitely want to have less inflammation, less irritation there. All right, so that's one thing I want you guys to remember, and please feel free to share this with your friends, family, or people you know, and also please feel free to comment below. Bye.